passes out, spin cycle, pass to begin, moving up on the outside, comes around mine, in the middle, Kaya, moving up on the outside, Bush Carnival, Tippy, Tyler 2 is racing in fifth, and in sixth comes Jacinet's Blues, moving up on the outside, Spanish Riviera, running by the rail comes Body Shot, in the middle comes Simply Angie, alongside Magical Street, that was a spill, Jackie J.V. Goose, on top of horse, a run of mine, took a spill as they swing down the back, spin, cycle by about 4 lengths, moving up now to take second is Spanish Riviera, and in dropping back in third comes Kaya, alongside Bush Carnival, Jacinet's Blues is racing in fifth, and in sixth Magical Street, Simply Angie, moving up on the outside, Spanish Ruler, Body Shot, we've got spin cycle, moving up on the outside now is Spanish Riviera to take the lead. It's now Spanish Riviera takes the lead, spin cycle, Magical Street, now coming closer in second on the outside. Kaya is racing in third, moving up on the outside, Spanish Ruler, as they come to the last 100. Is Spanish Riviera by about 3 lengths, and in second is Magical Street, Tippy Tyler 2 is on the outside, but it's still Spanish Riviera by about 3 lengths, out on the outside, finally Tippy Tyler 2, second Spanish Riviera.
At yan nga po muli ang